Hey, what's up everyone? Today I'm going to show you how to get an automation in ActiveCampaign to move forward when a specific tag is added to a contact. This is a super useful feature if you want to trigger actions based on customer behavior or milestones. Let's jump into it. First, head over to Automations tab in ActiveCampaign and choose the automation you want to adjust. You can create a new automation as well. And so we're going to do that. So we trigger options, we're going to select tag is added, then tag new lead. Go. Great, so this will start the automation. All right, let's add an action. Let's send an email. This will be a welcome email, say 5. We're just going to type in great to have you. Save that. Great. Let me just minimize that. There we go. All right. So just to ensure that adding the tag moves the contact forward within the automation, we're going to add an if-else condition to check if the tag has been added. Click on that. If else. Let's see, tag exists and it's new lead. And we save that. Great, so let's minimize that and move our condition here. Move single action. Okay, great. So we set the condition if the contact has the tag new lead, then we can proceed with the next action, which is sending a welcome email. And then if no, then you can end the automation or you can apply a different action. All right, and there you have it. This setup is perfect for creating dynamic workflows that respond to customer actions in real time. So if you're new to ActiveCampaign, grab the free trial link in the description and start optimizing your marketing automations today.